The local AB617 steering committee is calling on the community to push back against air pollution.
It is very important that the community really come to these meetings, because once we have a plan in place, people start asking questions. This is a very, very important project that involves everyone in the community, and not everyone is here to make comments and support our mission or support our strategies.
The state approved in January the committee's plan to improve air quality. The committee met recently to start putting the plan into action.
It was a significant event. It's the first time the California Air Resources Board had been into Imperial County to hold a regional meeting like that. That shows you the significance of what you're involved in here.
First of all, it was an accelerated timeline, to be able to get and meet all the milestones that the California Air Resources Board set. The fact that today they met, I think it's a new start in implementing these strategies.
This was a really important meeting in terms of moving on from that monumental and historical moment to pass a community-informed community emissions reduction plan and a program, and it's important to shift to implementation.
The committee is made up of 15 members. They're a diverse group of local people from various fields of expertise deeply interested in environmental concerns.
The committee selected 15 main sites to put these new monitors and 10 alternate locations in case there were any obstacles with deploying those first 15.
We're still waiting for the monies, we're still waiting for those resources to come in, but I think the dialogue today was a lot more lively, and one of the chair today, the co-chair, had mentioned that to the audience, and really celebrate the fact that everybody's feeling a lot more really comfortable, and there's a lot of healthy debate. And I think that's what the vision of 617 is be able to talk through all these issues and opportunities to reduce emissions.
They focus on identifying air pollution hotspots and deciding where to place air quality monitors, and that sometimes requires much discussion.
Debate is important, so get to agreement on the plan that we can move forward, to implement the projects and to install those monitors that are so needed, to determine emission reductions.
A robust discussion on the monitors for the community for the corridor of El Centro, Calexico, and Heber. And we were going over the locations that were previously selected and identified by the committee, and looking at possibly relocating a couple of those locations or whatever locations they see fit, given concerns with potentially oversaturating a certain area of the corridor. These are the locations for the new community sensors, the new community monitors, IVA monitors that will be reading particulate matter emissions.
Anyone interested in participating in the AB617 steering committee is encouraged to contact the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District at 442-265-1800.
We do have several vacancies right now in the committee, and I know there's been some applications submitted that the co-chairs of both Matt Desert and Luis Olmedo will be looking over.
We do want the community to come here. We want them to be part of this project. Everybody wants to have clean air, and everybody should participate in order for us to move forward without having any delays.
The next public meeting is on Wednesday, March 11 at Calexico Neighborhood House.